Think you know the history of software? Get ready to be mind blown. Here are 51 jaw-dropping facts about your favorite software releases. Hidden stories, shocking beginnings, and tech revolutions that change the world. Let's dive right in. That's less memory than your smartwatch has. Windows 1.0, released in 1985, needed only 256 kilobytes of memory, but 2 floppy disks. Apple literally made computers clickable. Apple's first Mac OS, introduced in 1984, brought a graphical interface when everything else was just text. Now it runs the entire internet. The Linux kernel 0.01, released in 1991, had only 10,239 lines of code. Photoshop almost had a boring name. Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was originally called Display. Blink, and Chrome took over the world. Google Chrome launched in 2008 and overtook every browser by 2012. Microsoft loved Mac before Windows. Microsoft Office was first released for Mac in 1989, not Windows. Touchscreens weren't even ready yet. The first Android version, released in 2008, had no virtual keyboard, only physical buttons. Imagine free software today. IBM's first software back in 1953 came bundled free with machines, no separate pricing. No Candy Crush, no Instagram. The original iOS didn't have an app store, only built-in apps. The first software with a rock concert vibe. Windows 95 launched with the Rolling Stones' Start Me Up. From game fail to chat success, Slack started as an internal tool for a failed gaming project. One small cloud, one giant internet. Amazon AWS, launched in 2006, started with simple cloud storage and now powers 30% of the web. Fastest world-changing project ever? Git was created by Linus Torvalds in just 10 days. Not even meant for chatting originally. WhatsApp started only for status updates, not messaging. Upload your dating video. Awkward. YouTube was originally a video dating site idea. How did people survive? Haha, Facebook had no like button until 2009. Comedy, not reptiles. Python was named after Monty Python, not a snake. Imagine saying just backrub it. Google's original name was Backrub. Real-time magic in the 70s. SAP launched its first real-time business software in 1973. The OS that refused to die. Windows XP was so loved that Microsoft extended its life 3 times. Cars that update in their sleep. Tesla Autopilot updates over the air just like smartphones. Marketing tricks from day one. You know, Oracle's first product was cleverly named version 2, even though it was actually their first. They charged $1.50 for vowels later. Can you believe it? Twitter was initially called Twitter. Now wow, we've come a long way. There are over 2 million apps. Back in 2008, the first App Store had just 500 apps. Goodbye CDs, hello cloud. Salesforce popularized software as a service, or SaaS, in 1999. Love created the best meetings ever. Zoom was born because Eric Yuan missed his girlfriend overseas. From free to fortune, Red Hat Linux became the first billion-dollar open-source company. Biggest garage-to-gold story. GitHub launched in 2008. Microsoft bought it in 2018 for $7.5 billion. Spooky, right? TikTok's algorithm can predict your interests within 1 hour. Different apps, same engine. Visual Studio Code, released in 2015, was built on Electron, just like Slack and Discord. You won't believe this, but JavaScript holds the record for the fastest language birth ever. It was created in just 10 days by Brendan Eich. Isn't that amazing? Here's a story that shook the tech world and beyond. Internet Explorer 4 wasn't just a browser, it was the catalyst for the famous US antitrust case. Quite the impact, right? Imagine this. Spotify was so popular at its launch in 2008 that it actually crashed Swedish servers. That's what you call too many listeners at once. Side hustles FTW. Did you know Trello was actually a side project inside another company called Fog Creek? Biggest social media merger. Back in 2016, Microsoft bought LinkedIn for a whopping $26.2 billion. Before that, there was no name for it. The term open source was coined only in 1998. From boom to goodbye, iTunes revolutionized music in 2001 and shut down in 2019. Oops, one more version. Windows 10 was supposed to be the final Windows. Then came Windows 11. Google's best $39 million ever spent. Google Maps, launched in 2005, came from a startup called Where2 Technologies. Faster than any social app, Instagram hit 1 million users in just 2 months. Escape from Internet Explorer. The Safari browser, launched in 2003, was internally called Freedom. From DVDs to cloud giants, Netflix moved to AWS after a major data center outage in 2008. Now it tracks your life. Jira launched in 2002, first for bug tracking. Corporate wars begin. Microsoft Teams was built to crush Slack. The rise of short videos. TikTok beat Facebook and Instagram for most downloads in 2020. Simple, immortal app. Windows Notepad, which has been around since 1985, has barely changed in 40 years. Postman equals cloud delivery. Early Linux distributions were actually mailed on floppy disks. Protective and viral. The first PC virus, known as Brain, was written in Pakistan in 1986. Where the web began. The first website, info.cern.h, is still live today. Resistance was futile. Kubernetes was first called Borg inside Google. Fastest tech adoption ever. ChatGPT reached 1 million users in just 5 days in 2022. From floppy disks to flying cars, software has truly shaped our world. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more jaw-dropping tech adventures. See you next time.